Hello LinkedIn. So I'd like to show you two formulas that I developed on Google Sheets. One is to validate emails. As you know, when sending email campaigns, it's important to make sure that your data is validated, or some people call it cleaned, meaning there will be no bounce rate. My algorithm is, I think, better than all the tools out there, because I've been using other tools for years and I never got the results that I wanted, which was almost 0% bounce, definitely less than 0.5%, and this is what I think everybody should be doing. So the first formula is called Valid8, which would validate an email, and all you got to do is point it at an email and it would tell you if that email is valid or not, and it will also show you if they're valid, invalid, or if there's like a catch-all. I do not send emails to catch-all. If you want to read more about it, you can read online about why it's impossible to validate catch-all emails. So I never send to them. So if you do that on your lists and then send only to those who were valid, I guarantee you will have no bounce. The second function, which I keep improving, but it's working so far pretty good. By the way, these are emails that I just randomly made up. So that's why a lot of them are not valid. And the same with here, I just made up names and made up websites. The second one is Discover. This will try and guess a lot of different combinations of possible emails for this person and validate them. This is all happening in the background. All you give it is first name, last name, and website. And once it validates it, only valid email will show up here. So if there's no valid email, it will just say not found or something like that. So no MX. That means because these are fake domains I made up. So this doesn't even have a mail server. Let's just test it on everything. It might not be good results because it's all made up, but let's see. This address actually exists, so no catch-all, nothing. Exists. This one, these have catch-all, these domains, for example. So I actually found some emails here. These are the formulas, and by the way, this would work even if it's even if it's like that. Doesn't matter. The software knows how to parse just the domain name, and as you can see, so it will be very easy to work with. If you want more information about how to get these formulas, get in touch.